Hopper! Look at him go! As fast as fuck, boy. You do not understand how fast that dog is. He's fast as fuck, boy. Anyway, going to car and hopefully finish and actually drive it today. So we get under here, there's no fresh drips and there's no fresh puddles, so that's great. Gonna look at doing the rear shocks, put the hood on, bumper, the front clip, get all the wiring back in. The not as monstrous monster tack. Oh, and of course the water temperature sender has been replaced, and it's the correct one for this kind of meter. There you go.
Nice.
That's for the new air hoses and the new air ride shocks in the back, and everything is in. And we're just going to run it through the gears and then take it for a drive. And while I was slowly murdering myself doing the shocks in the back, Julian sexed up the interior. I don't know, it's always made that noise.
Oh, fair enough. Long as it's not a new noise.
No, it's an old one. A bit annoyed it isn't fixed, but... Holy shit, Julie, we're driving it under its own power.
Tires?
They're all season.
Oh, yeah. Big winners.
So these are no season tires. In fact, it's sitting at like dead nuts 185.
Yeah.
So that's pretty good. Tip. We're gonna go have a beer, celebrate. I want to tell these boys we just fucking built this cunt. Fucking A. Fucking A. Boys, we built it. Yeah. I don't hate the gauges here, but they are obscuring a bunch of shit.
Yeah, they're not great. That's why I was thinking like gear, you know? Because that does nothing except unleaded fuel, right?
Yeah, maybe it should be mounted over there. That's a good plan. Don't know why you didn't mention it.